Graffiti removal can be a profitable part of any cleaning business. We are in downtown Memphis, where we have a great deal of rehab of older buildings into apartments, businesses, and homes right next to urban decay. The contractor on this site has used 4 applications of a store-bought product to try to remove this graffiti. Today we are going to show that the right product, procedure, and equipment can make this go away. The product we will be using is Taginator. The equipment is a 5-gallon per minute hot water pressure washer pushing 3,500 psi, mounted on a trailer with 200 gallons of water capacity from Cougar Chemical. The turbo nozzle will provide a deep impact force to make the job go by quickly. We will be running the pressure washer hot about 150 degrees to accelerate the cleaning. When we apply the Taginator, we want to apply it with a pump-up sprayer from the bottom up to avoid streaking, while heavily saturating the graffiti. When rinsing, we will work from the top down. Let's watch the process.